To add a Green Dot card to your Kai's app, follow these simple steps. The process is quick and easy, so it's worth seeing it through to the end. First, open Kai's app and click on the profile icon at the top of the screen. This will open a new screen where you need to scroll down and find the Link Banks option. Then tap on it. This section will display all the bank accounts and debit cards linked to your Kai's app. Look for the Link Debit Card option and click on it. Enter your Green Dot card number, expiration date, CVV, and zip code. Then click the Link Card button to link your card. If this method doesn't work, try clicking the No Card button at the bottom and attempt to link your bank account instead. Tap Continue and select the bank account associated with your Green Dot card from the list. Then link that bank account. Once you've done this, you can use your Green Dot card directly from your Kai's app.